Reputations are earned, not given. New Brunswick invented the biological shaker in 1959 and continues to provide market leadership 6 decades later. Innovative design and unparalleled fabrication allow for reliable, continual usage. The Eppendorf New Brunswick Innova 44 features space-saving glide-up doors, allowing easy access to all samples, especially when triple-stacked for large-capacity applications. Dependable operation is due in large part to New Brunswick's often imitated but never duplicated triple eccentric counterbalanced drive, with drive shafts machined within 2 10,000ths of an inch tolerances. Added features like the multifunction reservoir humidifies the chamber to reduce sample evaporation and protects the shaker mechanism from spills. A large 2-line LCD display and 4-line summary screen provides easy viewing of set points and actual parameters. Our programmable controller automates making multiple set point changes to temperature and speed with automated agitation shutoff. The wide range of options for incubation, refrigeration, photosynthetic lighting, humidity monitoring, and in-flask gassing enables growth of virtually any cell type. Heavy-duty construction allows us to guarantee that our shakers will perform to our specifications, even when fully loaded and operating at a top speed of 400 RPM. As we offer the largest selection of shakers in the industry, you can be confident you'll find the right Innova shaker and accessories to meet your laboratory needs for years to come. Eppendorf, in touch with life.